Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve data exploration techniques with Domo, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your Domo account.
Navigate to your home page where you can access your datasets.
Identify the data set you want to explore. Click on the data set to open its details.
Familiarize yourself with the dataset structure and key fields. Use the search bar to find specific data points you are interested in.
Utilize Domo's card building feature to visualize your data.
Select the type of card that best represents your data, such as a line graph or pie chart.
Drag and drop the relevant fields into the selected card format. Customize the visual elements, such as colors and labels, to enhance clarity. Save the card once you are satisfied with its appearance. Now, switch to the Insights tab to gain deeper analytical perspectives. Leverage Domo's built-in tools like the Magic ETL for advanced data manipulation.
Create filters to narrow down your data based on specific criteria. Use comparative analysis features to see trends over time.
Employ alerts to stay updated on any significant changes in your data.
Collaborate with your team by sharing cards and insights directly in Domo. Utilize the community and resources available within Domo for additional techniques.
Regularly revisit your datasets to ensure ongoing improvement in your exploration methods. Practice these steps consistently to enhance your data exploration skills with.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.